Namaskaram. The cooking videos that we are posting are our very own recipes straight from our home kitchen. Hope you are enjoying them. Welcome to Chakkani Vantillu. Today's dish is going to be so interesting. I am going to show Jonna Pindi balls. Let's begin. Let's first look at the main ingredients. We need 1 cup of sorghum flour, 1.5 cups of water, and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. For the remaining ingredients, we need 1 onion, 6 green chillies, curry leaves, fresh coriander, salt as per taste, and oil as needed. First, place the water pot on stove and add salt. Let it boil well. Once the water is boiled properly, remove the pot from the stove. Put the Jonna Pindi into the hot water and mix it continuously until it becomes a smooth and soft mixture without any lumps. Now finely chop the onion and green chilies into small pieces. Now add the chopped onions and green chilies first. Then add cumin seeds, curry leaves, and coriander one by one. Mix everything well and shape them into smooth round balls. Now place an iron kadai on the stove and pour oil. Let the oil heat well. Once it is ready, carefully add the balls one by one. Once they turn golden brown, carefully take them out. Serve the chutney, either tomato or groundnut chutney, and enjoy these Jonna Pindi Undalu with it. Sharing with nature makes it even more special. Please try this at home. Hope you liked our Jonna Pindi balls recipe. Summer is very hot and birds also feel thirsty. Let's place some water for them and help them stay safe.